the clutch pedal is released, this entire shaft will start turning. Correct? All the gears are rigidly fixed to the shaft. So all the gears are turning. Okay? Now, this gear is engaged to this. This gear is engaged here. This is engaged to this. This is engaged to this. Okay? Because this shaft is turning, all the gears are turning. But the car is stationary. Why? Because all the gears are mounted on bearing. Mounted on bearing. Now, when to engage the gear, first gear, this is moved into engagement. This is connected rigidly to the shaft. This gear is moving. So the power gets transmitted from here to this to the shaft. First gear. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In second gear, this is moved to the second gear. This is the second gear.
Yes, sir.
Not this. This is idler.
Yes, sir.
Reverse gear. It moves into engagement here.
Yes, sir.
Again the same thing. Power now, even though this gear is free, it is turning because it is continuously engaged. But now in second gear, power is transmitted from here to this, to shaft. Right? Same thing now third gear, from here to here to here to here. This will be shifted to neutral. Okay, and this will go into engagement. Fourth, from here to here, from here to shaft. Clear?
Yes.
No confusion? Okay. Okay. Third batch, please come.